Hi, this is Lorna from BSL Battery. So happy to have this opportunity to introduce and test BSL Golf Car Lithium battery. Lithium battery is more and more well known for faster charging, no maintenance, and stable power. Today I'm going to take you deeper into BSL Golf Car Lithium battery. Let's go! BSL Golf Car Lithium battery voltage covers 36 volt, 48 volt, and 72 volt. Capacity is from 30 amps up to 230 amps. Suitable for easy go, club car, Yamaha golf car, and endure to work at minus 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Let's see what we have. This is 51.2 volt 105 amps battery, and these are all the accessories of the battery. Charge levels are accurate to 1%, and it can display errors and warnings. 4 to 6 mm thick metal container. Case cell grade IP65 can be applied to various low environments. The design of separate charging and discharging ports can reduce the damage and avoid the conflict of charging and discharging logic. And next, let's see what these interfaces are. This one is charge and discharge negative pole, power switch, charging communication interface, screen interface, discharge positive pole, and the last one is pressure reducing valve. Now let's go over the inside of the battery. Standard PDU and module design makes maintenance easier and more stable. Most importantly, our self-developed BMS can intelligently monitor and protect the battery, like battery parameter detection, battery status estimation, online fault diagnosis, battery safety control and alarm, charging control, battery equalization, thermal management, and information storage. In addition, the active balance function of the BSL battery can extend the battery life. Now follow me to install the 51.2 105 amps battery in our golf car. If you are interested, please click on the link below to learn more. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.